Hi everyone, I am Narsimha. In this video, we are going to learn how to create storage location. Generally, we have a different types of storage location based on the client requirements. Generally, our finished products used to sell in modern trade, e-com, general trades, used to sell every company. E-com means it's kind of a 10 minutes delivery blanket, Zepto kind of things. Modern trade means more DMart, Reliance, this kind of thing. Trade means general shops and all, retailer shops and all, distributors and all. How to differentiate this kind of products means we have to create storage location for different criterias. We have to create storage location at a plant level. SAP storage location and physical storage location is different. Physical storage is comes under bin level. It is comes under EWM, embedded warehouse management. Physical SAP storage location comes under the SAP. It comes under material management. Storage locations also we can create two types. One is T code. It is a shortcut method. Second one is a path. Path is SPRO IMG enterprise structure define material management maintain storage location. But you have to create storage location at plant level. If you want to create plant 1 different storage location, and again it is a plant 2 different location. But when we are going to create IBT in internal transfer, STO stock transfer order, we will get errors. Why? Because plant 1 storage location, plant 2 storage locations is different. That's the reason you have to create few of locations same in plant 1, plant 2. If you are as per your requirement, you can create different locations also. Let's see how to create plant location in SAP. Before creating storage location, if you are watching first time my channel, I am used to teach SAP complete course, SAP MM, SD, end user videos, SAP MM, end user videos, SAP FICO end user videos, PP end user videos. Already many of videos I created. I taught complete SAP MM course in Telugu. If you want to learn, if you are willing to learn, please subscribe channel. Check out my channel. What is the first method? T code OX09 /N OX09. Type T code in your transactional box, then click on enter in your keyboard. Then you will get kind of pop up. Click on OK. I am creating first time, that's the reason. Yeah, storage location OX9 is not working. Instead of OX09, we have to use OX092. I created a short video for this also. OX09 is for ECC version. OX92 is a S4 HANA. You have to, I told you have to create storage location in plant level. That's the reason it is asking a plant. I will go to my plant one is SA01. I am entering SA01, then OK. SA01 does not exist. Give me some time. What is my plant? SA01. SA01. SA02. We'll check plants are created or not. What is T code? OX10. At the time of your practice also you will get errors. Based on your error you have to react. SA01. SA01 is not available. SA02. SA02 also someone deleted. That's the reason I'm getting this kind of errors. See, that's the reason I'm getting error for. Sorry, SA01 is not my plant. SAHY is my plant. SAHY. That's the reason you have to maintain this kind of Excel. SAHY, SAIM. SAHY is my plant. Again, I am going to OX092. then SAHY. See, I'll get this kind of interface. I want to create new storage location. That's the reason I want to click on new. Then I will get this kind of interface. Already my storage location RM01 is for my raw material, SA01 0011 general trade, 002 sorry 0002 modern trade, 0003 expired and damaged material I want to kept. That's the reason I'm creating 4 location. If you want to more storage location, you can create it, or else you are okay with one storage location, create it one only. I'm clicking enter, then again save it. If you want to add few more locations after some time, again you will come same T code, enter your plant, click on OK. You will get already you have existed 4. You have to enter, click on new. You can enter new storage location. I'm just entering 004 for ecom. Save. My storage location is saved. I'm again I went back. See, now 0004 also showing. You can add, you can delete also. If you want to delete, select this line, click on delete button. You need to create same storage location or different storage location for your second plant also. I am creating storage location for my second plant. I will create this storage location through path SPRO IMG enterprise. For organization structure, all steps you went through enterprise structure only, then define, then material management, maintain storage locations, SAIM, SAMI, new entry. I'm creating same storage location for plant 2 also. If you need, you can create different storage locations, but I don't want any different storage location. I want all same storage location in all plants. Saved. As of now, we created plant, company code, purchase org, plant and storage location. My organization data is completed, but we didn't assign company to company code to purchase organization to plant. Just we linked only plant storage location, but we didn't link anywhere company code, purchase plant, extra. That's the reason we have to do assignments. Assignments will do in next video. If you want to learn assignments and more SAP course videos, please subscribe channel, click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.